So we are here in Silverstone. It's quite cold. I mean, the car here, quite a different livery for the filming day. I'm not driving it today, Daniel is, but I think the car looks very aggressive. And actually the livery I really like. And yeah, I can't wait to drive it actually in Barcelona. Hopefully it will be dry. That's always better to try the car, of course. But yeah, it will be interesting. I'm definitely looking forward to it.
Every time, you know, the engine starts up and then you're kind of a bit nervous, but then it all sounds like it's running well and you pull out of the pits and yeah, like you can see in the mirror, all the crew behind you is like watching it down pit lane, and it's cool, you know, when we did a fair few laps to start, which was nice, and yeah, just going up through the gears and it's familiar noise, so it was nice to do that. It's been such a long off season, I think too long. It's nice to kind of shake out the cobwebs again, and although it's very cold here, it's nice to get in the car and now just start to get the ball rolling.